This video is for all of you that have been watching print-on-demand videos, watching Start Your Etsy Business videos, and have not yet made the leap. Maybe you're in one of those positions where you don't know where to get started, or you're worried about all of the different types of elements that go into launching your own business. Today, I'm gonna walk you through a designing session of how I would set up a brand new Etsy business so you can start to get your creative juices flowing. And if you do have an Etsy business, or you have another type of business, and you are just looking for additional ways to expand your business, this video is perfect for you as well. I know that's a big promise, but when I started my Etsy print-on-demand business in 2023, the tools were not as advanced as they are today. With AI and different models that are out there, you can now take what is in your brain and make a design in seconds. And even better, even if you don't know exactly what to design, there are platforms that can help you get there and can at least get that stage from being a blank piece of white paper to having something on it. You have to start moving, you have to start shaking. And the best advice I can give you is to just start. So I love to do research. I love to take a look at the data to see what are people buying and what are these different types of trends that are popping up that I can then use with my print-on-demand business. We have a great advantage with print-on-demand where we can create products faster than any manufacturer that tries to ship things over from China. So I'm constantly looking to see what design styles are different, which categories are different. If you are interested in seeing what types of niches I'm spotting as upcoming trends, go ahead and give me a subscribe, hit the like button. I will be posting a video about that coming soon. A couple sneak peeks about that. Sports is one of the topics that I keep seeing rise to the top. And obviously sports is a universal language. It's not a surprise to hear that sports are going to be big, but we're going into a specific seasonal moment that I don't think many people are prepared for. Obviously, the fall is a huge sports season in general, but a lot of people will take the standard angle of trying to do more generic sports stuff, and I always like to take a different type of path so I don't compete exactly in what everybody else is doing. A couple of different categories that we're going to see pop off within sport as a preview to that upcoming video is going to be fantasy sports and fantasy football, along with more soccer. Fantasy football is obviously goes hand in hand with football, but we don't see as many people designing within the fantasy leagues, and I think that is a big miss. And then with soccer, we're obviously in the throes of the World Cup, and this has incited so many Americans to be way more into soccer, and so we're going to see a lot more people that get into the sport of soccer as the Premier League kicks off in the fall as well. So I anticipate an uptick in soccer merch in the US, and that's a kind of a new buying market that the US hasn't been as tapped into. So how am I going to design this? And I'm talking about designing my shop from soup to nuts. I'm not talking about making a couple of designs with AI. I'm talking about utilizing AI to start ideating how I would launch a brand in this space. The tool that I'm using and my partner for today's video is Kittl. Kittl is a design platform that goes way beyond templates. They allow you to utilize their templates, and they are great, but they also have all the different AI models built into their platform. So you can use their tools to take what is in your brain and put it on the screen, make edits, make tweaks, not just for a design, but you can use them for your ads, you can use them for your UGC video, and I'm gonna show you some practical applications of just how I'm using it to launch a shop. So as an example, I have a design on my screen right now that I just basically took a template from them and changed the wording. Essentially, I like to do a lot of my designs as just text designs and typography because I think that as a consumer, that's more of the designs that I lean towards. But if you like to buy really beautiful t-shirts, or you have really beautiful mugs that you purchase and you're gonna have a better experience designing and making something that you would like to buy, by all means, do that and just start. And then if you see something working, we iterate and we double down there. I just personally like more text-based design, so I always lean towards that direction. So what I have on here is just a basic text design that says, actually, it's nil. If you are into soccer, if you were to say, oh, they tied the game at 0-0, that's bad. They didn't tie the game at 0-0. They tied the game and they ended the game at 0-0. So this is a funny little like cheeky type of design. Again, more of something that I would buy or I would wear as opposed to what maybe you might be buying and wearing. But I'm gonna design today's shop for me. And like I said, I'll do a video upcoming of all the different types of trends that we're seeing pop off and different niches that are growing in popularity. So there are a couple of things that you're gonna gonna need when you start designing an Etsy business and getting that off the ground. And this same criteria that I'm going through now would absolutely work if you were launching a Shopify store, or heck, you're just wanting to launch a Facebook page that lists the products that you're selling. This is applicable for all types of digital media that you are wanting to create, or even print media that you'd be wanting to create, but it gives you those skills to how you can just start. So what I have here is just this text design, and I want to take this because I like it, I think it's bold, I think it's strong, and I want to build my brand around this design that I would probably launch with. So what I can do while I'm in Kittl is I can click onto it and I can come down to here where their like AI pop-up is, and I can give it additional guidance. What is new, if you are not new to Kittl, is that there has been a new selection criteria here called Agentic AI. Before, the two options to create anything would be generating an image or generating a video, and now you have Agentic AI. You can see that whenever you run this, you're gonna pay about 15 tokens per image and 35 tokens per video. So make sure that you are not abusing this, but we are using this to kind of generate things that we can then edit if we would like. So I'm gonna make sure I'm clicked into Agentic AI, and I'm gonna say, utilizing this picture, so I have this picture selected and this text template selected, create a logo for my Etsy print on demand brand using the same style, call it Sport Chic, and also create an Etsy banner for my shop as well. I'm actually gonna take out print on demand just so that way it doesn't like put print on demand on my screen, and I'm gonna say clothing and accessories. Cool. So what it sped out is this really strong, bold logo that says Sport Chic, and then it has this simple banner that I could upload to my Etsy account that has Sport Chic and calls out clothing and accessories for everyday elevated. Simple, style and motion, confidence always. This is giving a very branded, sporty, varsity aesthetic, and I love that without me having to direct it, it has spit out something that is pretty good. Now, don't get me wrong, if you were to have fed the Agentic AI some more details, it would have incorporated those. But if you are in the headspace where you're like, I just don't know which direction I want to go with this, and you want something to get started, this is perfect because it's gonna give you a perfect output, and then you can iterate on it later down the road. But this, for my purpose, is perfect. So now I wanna make some more stuff, right? Like, I just created this cute design, I have my logo, I know that I can go over to Etsy and I can upload my logo, I can upload my store banner. I would then obviously need designs that I would link with the platform like Printify, where I would choose my t-shirt, choose my mug, whatever it is, and I would push this design onto Printify and all those different products, and then link them over to my Etsy shop or my Shopify store to actually have the products there. But we all know that when you are launching with Printify, and even though there are great, amazing, beautiful products like a Comfort Colors t-shirt like I'm gonna design here, or even a mug, sometimes the mock-ups aren't exactly what you're looking for. So the next step that I wanna do is I actually want to generate the listing images that I would create for this listing. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to ask Kittl to place this design on a Comfort Colors 1717 ivory shirt, as well as a 15-ounce ceramic white mug, which we know Printify offers and would be great to launch with. Keep in mind that when you are running one of these prompts, it's gonna take some time to generate because it's doing a bunch of things in the back end. So make sure you're doing other things at the same time so that way you can keep checking back and forth. What is really great about this new update is whenever you were using Kittl before and you were trying to create something, it would just be able to create one thing at a time. So now we are in this new era where you can create 1, 2, 3, 10 things all at once, and it's doing it like a little agent on the back end, and you're not actually having to prompt it and change it every single time, which is amazing. And just like that, we have a couple awesome photos. So we have the Comfort Colors t-shirt, and right there it's put on the front of the t-shirt, which is beautiful. Actually, it's nil. And then we have a mug photo as well, which put it on a blank background. We can take this a step further if we would like and actually start to get some lifestyle images of these products. So for example, I'm going to change the photo inspiration to be now the t-shirt, and I'm gonna ask it to create a couple of different lifestyle type photos of a woman wearing this t-shirt. Say create some Etsy listing photos for this t-shirt, 2 to 3 lifestyle photos, and 2 to 3 product specific photos. And all of this is happening within a single project in Kittl. So all of it's gonna be together, and it'll be really easy for me to upscale these designs and export them when I'm ready to get everything posted. And I don't have to click around to all these different designs. And what I love about this process is that I'm running this for a print-on-demand business. If you are sitting across the screen and you do your own jewelry business, or maybe you sell candles that you hand pour yourself, or during Christmas you do elf on the shelf kits, whatever it is, this same process is perfect for it, because you can upload a photo of whatever product you sell and ask it to create lifestyle photos for you. You can ask it to create advertising for you, and it will start to spit things out. And once again, you don't have to take what's here and just take it verbatim. You can absolutely make edits to each one of these that better fits what you are wanting, but at least it gives you a place to start that is based off of the inputs that you have given it. So it gave me a few of my lifestyle photos that I have up here, which are really great, maybe even a little bit more bougie than I would need for like a sporty t-shirt, but it definitely gets the job done. This one's more like outside, which I like. You can always ask for it to give you more of like a soccer flair. This one is okay. It kind of has this like folded under thing, kind of interesting. This one I really like because it gives it a little bit of a different angle that I think really pops out. So beautiful images that you could absolutely just take and utilize for your Etsy shop. And where this gets even more powerful is if you know what other sayings you want to ask, you can do the exact same thing, but take this image and in the prompt say, in the same design, provide that design for 4 different soccer quotes. And you can give the soccer quotes if you know exactly what you want to say, but if you don't, it will then create them for you. I don't want to leave everything up to AI, but let's say that you launch this business and this t-shirt is doing so well and you want to double down and you want to keep the ball rolling on your performance. That is what I would do, is I would upload one of your best-selling designs into Kittl and I would say, create 3 or 4 more designs that are similar to this, that are different, but go along that same vein, because now you can start to build a brand around this one design that is performing really well. So there's so many applications on how we can use agentic designing, and just make sure that if you are designing with AI, you are adding a little sentence in your description that says, this design was made with help with AI. If you just take a template and change the text, not as necessary, but if you're actually generating an entire design with AI, you're gonna wanna make sure that you call that out. And we can just keep going further. For all of my legacy Etsy and online business owners that are watching this, if you have something that is already performing well and is getting sales, upload that design into Kittl and start playing around with other things you can create with it. Can you create a UGC video? Can you put it on a different product and create more lifestyle images for that product? I did all this within 5 minutes. You can do that with your best-selling design. And if you are new, you literally have no excuse for why you would not launch your business, because all of it can be done within one single screen in Kittl. And while my UGC video is generating, because I want to show you that as well, and I've done a couple other videos on how you could utilize Kittl for their video creation, Kittl is offering a discount right now that gets you half off their yearly subscription if you use the code Agentic. I will drop that link in the description below. If you are wanting to try out Kittl, they also have free plans, but if you've been utilizing Kittl for a while and you want to get the best deal, that is what I would recommend. I always try to wait until there is some sort of promo code until I pull the trigger on something. So right now is a really great time to take that jump into a platform like Kittl. And I can create a lot of stuff with their pro plan. So if you have the pro plan that is on an annual plan, $12, which is half off right now with code Agentic, that gets you about 2,000 tokens per month. And we know that it takes about 15 tokens whenever you're creating an image and about 30 per video. But let's say you're just creating images and you wanted to put video to the side for now. That means that you can make over 130 images within a single month that are studio quality that you were not able to do before. So it's absolutely possible with a very affordable dollar amount to be able to launch your business completely from home and completely from your screen. So here is the cute little UGC video that it put out that you could add music to on the back end, a trending sound for TikTok, just something really simple and a cute little caption, and it's perfect. It looks super lifestyle-esque and realistic. The sun is like literally glimmering off of it, so it's beautiful. And you can do this for any type of business. You don't have to do it with print on demand. You can utilize the video feature for whatever you have cooking with your side hustles or your full hustle. And before I leave you, I know I have some side hustlers out here, and you are probably like me, where you probably have shiny object syndrome, and when going through this flow, it just got my creative juices flowing. Let's say you love print on demand and you're wanting to start your print on demand business. Great. Here's a great way to kick it off. Let's say that you are wanting to just flex your chops and you enjoy making designs and you get really good with utilizing AI and helping people that don't have any interest in utilizing AI. That is another area that I think this tool can be extremely helpful for, is creating stuff that people want but do not have the time or the knowledge or really desire to want to make on their own. And I'll give you an example of that. This tool will allow you to create Facebook ads, Facebook posts, product imagery shots, anything that you can name. And there are people that are wanting to pay for that but don't want to have to generate it and take the time on their own, because it takes time, right? Like, you have to generate it, you gotta wait, and then you gotta come back and you gotta export, and you gotta kind of like tweak it if you want. If you want to make any specific design changes, you have to change that within the platform. A lot of people don't want to do that. So one way that you can use this platform is to start your own agency, to say, hey, I create social media content, I create design images that can elevate your business and be helpful to you. Is that interesting to you? Great. Put me on a $150 per month retainer and I'm going to get one Facebook post to you every single day. Or I will charge $50 for a package of X, Y, and Z images that you can utilize for your Facebook page that you can boost or just have for driving additional traffic and acquisition for your business. One way that I would do that is I would take a local business that you have. I'm grabbing this business from close to my hometown and I'm going to throw it into Kittl and I am going to say, create 4 Facebook posts for this business that could be used as Facebook ads. I'm just gonna paste the link. What's great about Agentic AI is that it is going to already choose the different type of model that it's using. And so it's gonna go and it's gonna decide, well, maybe ChatGPT is better for this, maybe Gemini is better for this, maybe I wanna use Nano Banana, and it's gonna do all that on its own. So you don't have to pick, which is great. So I am just gonna hit and see what it creates for me. Okay, so it has created 4 different ads that could absolutely be utilized for their Facebook. It has stay comfortable year round, schedule your service, beat the heat, book now, ready for winter, thinking about heater, and then breathe cleaner air, thinking about quality indoor solutions. These are all different types of ads that you would be able to run for this business. And you can just keep tweaking and iterating, but just now I asked for another 4 that are more organic centric. So it has created things about scheduling your HVAC tune-up. And then it has more photos like this that is probably more of the aesthetic that I would go with, that actually puts an image of somebody like outside. So all are great options, but very professional looking, that could really elevate the aesthetic of a business like this and generate different traffic for them. Obviously, we could swap out the phone number, add any other branding elements that are necessary, but it gives you so many great options that a business would absolutely want to utilize, but maybe does not have the time on their hands to do it themselves. I hope this gives you the inspiration to just start. If even one of you starts their print on demand business or launches their Etsy or Shopify store, that would make this video a success. I will drop the link to the promo code Agentic for Kittl in the description below, and I will catch you on the next one.